True education is not just accumulation of knowledge, but awakening of soul to its full potential. I welcome you to Babu Banarsi Das College of Dental Sciences, a constituent unit of Babu Banarsi Das University, Lucknow. As a principal, it is my proud privilege to lead an institution dedicated to excellence in dental education, clinical training, and research. Since its inception in 2000, the College of Dental Sciences has upholded highest standards, is one of the premier institutions in India, ranked high amongst various dental schools. Our aim is to impart high standards of dental education and provide an ecosystem to students for innovation, inquiry, and experiential learning. And all this is possible because of a latest infrastructure and distinguished faculty members. Faculty members are very dedicated and committed so as to give a hands-on learning and real-world practice sessions to our students. We prepare undergraduates and postgraduate students to practice evidence-based dentistry with a thorough knowledge and understanding of the latest treatment modalities. The college is proud to have an advanced implantology section, digital head and neck imaging, CBCT, conscious sedation, trauma surgical unit, surgical microscope, conscious sedation unit, and all the undergraduates and postgraduates have exposure to ample number of patients. Our aim is to attain an atmosphere so that the students have a hands-on experience and they have a good clinical decision making with an interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary approach. We also collaborate with digital technology in this ever-evolving landscape of dentistry. The college also has a state-of-art library with more than 4,000 titles of books and national and international journals. We strive for excellence. We strive to ignite minds and inspire future. Together, let us come forward to shape the future of dental science.